What is going on YouTube? Suck MC here, and we're back on some Fallout 3 after I had scheduled an episode to come out the day after the other one did. And hold up, let me turn this down just a little bit. Yeah, so we're just gonna throw ourselves back in here. And yes, uh sadly I did not get it on film, but we finally met Three Dog. Actually no, I did get that. But we had gone to a museum of technology, fixed up the radio station, so now Three Dog can stop hawking me down, telling me to help him out so he can tell me where my dad is. And yeah, he told me oh yeah, we got slaughtered a few times by some super mutants in there, and we figured out the terminal puzzle, and we found was it Rig or Jig? I don't know what it was. It was two dudes. It was a dude named Prim or Prime and another dude named Jig or Riggs or something like that. I don't know. I'm sure y'all guys probably know. I probably sound stupid right now. Um, but we have figured that out. That little puzzle, so we can go here. And he said there'll be our cut of our share or whatever over there. And let me sort my little like Hot Wheel or scroll wheel thing out. Yeah, we figured all that out, and now we know that our father's in Rivet City, and that's where we're headed now. I don't know why I'm stuttering so much. Can't talk. Let me dump a little bit of goodums for good old Three Dog in here. Here, eat up or drink up. How do I exit this place? Three Dog, you don't happen to have Stimpaks lying around, right? Just no reason whatsoever. Just asking, you know. Hmm. This place is a wreck. It's a dude that goes on the radio, tells people to fight the good fight, and he's over here living in a whole dump right here. Alright. We left off this side, all the way down there, fought a bunch of little ghouls, got blown up. Yeah. Where am I? I up, of course. Uh, well, we're just gonna fast travel real quick. I don't gotta worry about that John right there. Okay, so we're just gonna follow. Yeah. Oh wait, no, we did. Oh, okay, you can relax. Boom, boom. We gonna hit him, and your head gone. And I'm gonna try to like up the editing and motivation. You know, put into the videos. You know, so that they're not an hour long every time. You know, shorten them up a little bit, make them short and sweet for y'all guys. You know, something y'all guys wanna watch. You know, I know I can't sit here and listen to some dude ramble on him getting doodled on in a decade old game, plus a decade plus old game. However old this game is, I don't know. Where we going? Hey y'all, I'm following the market. I like I said, I played this game before. I know what I'm doing. I can do this with my eyes closed right now. Who are you? Thank you for standing there. Let me gun you down. Ooh, hold up. I'm gonna do bust around that corner real quick. Oh, easy. Very good. And I'm not gonna pronounce it. Say that. Where are we going? We on the red line. Uh-oh, somebody's creeping around these parts. I really need stim packs because I'm gonna have to resort to eating. He knows too. He knows. Look at that. Y'all saw how he was staring around the corner like that? Oof, oof. Oh, they know it's over. Don't come around this corner. You're gonna see something you ain't gonna want to see. Ah, ah, it's over. Run. What the? Nah, ain't no doing no crouching. We ain't friends out here. Ooh, 4 bottle caps. Mine now, sucker. What are you talking about? Some shotgun shells and a start-off shotgun. That thing did crazy damage right there, but that thing probably doo-doo. You know, I'm not put my and I took the wrong thing. Put my life in the hands of uh uh sawed-off shotgun when I got a combat shotgun. A bent tin can. I thought that was a bobby pin box. Where we at? Yeah. Oh my gosh. What was that? Hey, hey, why do you shoot? Oh, it's a. I thought he had a pistol. I was okay. No damage. That's cool. We're dead. See y'all. We might have to turn around real quick. This ain't good. Yeah. And my drink damage and medics. Oh, that's still not good. I shot you square in the head. Why are you dying? There we go. Now we're cooking. Oof. Bro, why are you scurrying off like that? Just real quick. One bullet, you're dead. I'll make it quick. Don't worry. 4. That's the key. Pack of ciggies. These people are little drug fiends. Oh, got some jet too. Please, I need stim packs. Bad. We came across 2 raiders and almost died. Y'all are some druggies. Ooh. But I ain't complaining. Hey, y'all guys just got everything that I don't need. Oh. Wait, what? What? I thought my gun was shooting on semi-auto or something. Yes, stems. That's my drugs. Stim packs. Let me eat that up real quick. And I drank the wrong thing. I still gotta hook up the boy Mickey up outside Megaton with some purified water. My eyeballs is burning right now. I should be asleep right now, but you know, figured I crawl up out the depths and attempt to start uploading again, you know. Oh, okay. I thought I would have got some more goodums. Where we at now? Capital Wasteland. If y'all guys oof. Well, this part's good real quick. Let me throw this plug in real quick. If y'all guys did not watch the previous episodes, make sure y'all guys go stop by to figure out what's going on. You know, y'all's like, wait, what? He's looking for his dad. Who? Y'all guys didn't watch the full episode, or y'all guys don't know what this game is. And if y'all don't, y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. Y'all don't know what Fallout 3 is. And if y'all guys think Fallout New Vegas is better than Fallout 3, y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. Cause y'all. Anyway, go watch that. Go watch the first episode. Figure out who this dude is. Oh, and I thought it was druggy or crippled. figure out who this dude is and why we're here. You know, if y'all guys like the other videos or this video, drop a like. You know, hit that subscribe button. You know, we're trying to grow as a channel and stuff. I keep on like rubbing my little sticker off. Stop squirming. Oh, and it's not sticky. Ooh, oh, that's bad. We're just gonna crawl up here. And hold up, we gotta, cause we all know if y'all played Fallout 3, which y'all need to, y'all should know 6 o'clock in the morning is the greatest time ever in this game. Oh, there we go. We got another vagabond out here, Carlos.
Can you help me? I need water. Purified water, please.
Yeah, take this.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can just have it.
Now give me your karma. Don't say Papa MC's never done nothing for you. I thought you left me a little gift. Y'all seeing this place? This is Rivet City right here. We gonna see.
Welcome to Rivet City. Please wait while the bridge extends.
Thirsty.
I just gave you water. What are you talking about? You're thirsty for? Drink up. Y'all seeing this right now? Golly.
Hold it right there. State your business in Rivet City.
I'm looking for my father. I'm looking for Dr. Lee. I don't answer to you, pal. Oh, I'm just wandering around. Forget it. I'm out of here. I'm just wandering around.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Alright, you're free to roam around, so long as you don't do anything stupid, like try to slit my throat when I'm sleeping. You wouldn't try anything stupid like that, now would you?
No, not really. No. But thanks for the help, I guess.
Carry on.
Carry on then. Where we going? River City Market is locked. I need to get me some stems.
Let me or a security officer know if you see anything out of the ordinary.
I don't know, he seems pretty out the ordinary.
God bless you.
Saint Monica bless you.
Probably Clifford Diego.
I'm looking for troublemakers. Have you seen any?
You look like you a troublemaker yourself. Huh? What are we talking about? Oh, okay, that's cool. This place is a maze. I like how I could take maybe not. I like how I could take most things. I just scraped up
Railings on the flight deck.
scraped up 40 caps at that filing cabinet over there. Every other place where I'm like, no, hands off. Nah, sucker, that's mine. Where are you going? What is all this? I don't know. Oh, what? We the people. Wonder what that's about. So yeah, we're just gonna attempt to work our way towards these this marker. Go to the science lab. Who are you?
For the most advanced scientific center in the capital wasteland.
Bunch of goodies, but
Look, Dr. Zimmer, we've been over this. We don't know about your runaway robot, and we don't care.
ooh,
This lab is
I've actually never found that there before. Maybe I'm just stupid.
Dr. Lee is trying to
Oh, Got them
interruptions are
blue
easy.
eyes.
Effort. Look, this is a restricted area. I'm tired of telling you people.
You people.
It's you. My heavens, you look so much like him. You're James's son, aren't you?
Yes, yes.
What are you
indeed.
doing here?
Where's my father? Tell me now.
Calm down. Calm down. What are you doing here? James said you were still in the vault. Look, this is all terribly irrational. Your father just shows up here as if nothing happened. He walked out on us. I know he had his reasons. I know it was to protect you, but still.
What do you want about?
Project Purity was our life. It was the only thing that mattered, and then he just gave up. He abandoned us, and we were forced to move on. I've already told him that it's over. There's no going back. Project Purity was a failure, and he needs to move on.
What is this lab? What are you doing here? Trying to find my father. Have you seen him?
You mean you haven't? I assumed he sent you here. For that matter, aren't you supposed to be in a vault? James said he left you there.
I left the vault to look for him. What are you talking about?
Did you? I was under the impression that's exactly the opposite of what he wanted for you. Well, you won't find him here. He's come and gone already.
Then stop wasting my time and tell me where he is, bum.
Well, I don't know where he is. The last I knew, he was going back to the old lab.
Where's that at?
Now, will you kindly leave? I have work. to
Nah,
do.
where that at? Where's this old lab of yours?
It's in the old Jefferson Memorial Building, northwest of here. Please, don't go after him. It was foolish of him to even think about going there alone.
Okay, good to know, good to know. So, that's where we're headed. Good luck,
Now,
good luck.
please, stand aside.
I got all the luck I need. Where we at? And it's 8, too. So, market should be open. Ah, yes. Goodies. Oh, we got a bunch of goodies. But we need to go right here. Yeah, right here.
This is a quick
Oh,
fix.
why you turn like
I
that?
mean, that's the name of our shop. Polly and mine, that is. My name is Cindy. Cindy Cantelli.
Oh, dang. Sound like you've been stapling your own stuff. Relax, I'm just looking around. What do you got?
We've got all kinds of
You
cameras.
got stems, I hope. Yes, sir. Alright, you got stems, I got junk. Cause I know that's what you want. Take all that too. Cherry bombs. What can I get? What can I throw your way? Oh, pack of ciggies. There you go. Had to kill a lot of people to get those. And give me your caps. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. Oh, we talking caps now, sucker. 87 caps on top of 87 caps given to
Another
me.
satisfied customer.
I'm satisfied. You just lost. You just lost 87 caps, sucker.
Welcome to
No,
our
I don't want your doo-doo pre-war clothes, but
straight.
oh, ooh, and you got still? Ooh, 200 caps. I don't, cause you know we gotta keep our money up, you know. Right, there we go. Let me hold on to one of these mines just for something a little special. Ooh. Let me take there we go. I can do that. See, that's how you make money.
Thanks.
It's so
Closing time.
closing time. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. What do you want about? And we go to this boy over here.
This here is flak and shrapnels.
Can I see what you got for sale? What do you got for me? Let me go to weapons. Don't need nothing else. A missile launcher and a laser rifle. I definitely want to pick that up eventually. I could pick that up right now, but I don't have a whole lot of points in energy weapons, plus 8 pounds, or a lot of bullets. I didn't even realize that. Oh, that's expensive. 160. I mean, we're at 2K, and I could just grab it just to hold on to it. But 240 for a busted up laser rifle that does 11 damage. Nah, we're good. You got them stems though. Indeed, you do. I love me some stems, and I think you love you some ammo. Hold on to some of that for me. Take that doodle ammo that I ain't got no weapons for. Take all that. Oof. We gonna hit him with a. Oof. Give me all money.
Thanks.
I gotta run. Yep. I should probably slow down a little bit. I feel like I'm zooming. Wait. Oh wow, we're down 50 because I scarfed down half my inventory trying to heal. Alright, let me up. Can I? There we go. 24 stems. Yes, sir. Had to get that had to get some stems real quick. Crow.
Welcome, welcome.
I'm still trying to look for that one dude.
Have a look. See if anything
And
calls
you got
out.
stems on you too, but I don't really need that like that right now.
Good to see you.
I'm trying to find. I forget who it was. That dude that I sold a modest pistol to. Can't believe I did that. Had me running around with this doo-doo bootleg 10mm pistol with no durability. Almost died several times. Now I really want to see what's popping off over at Jerry. Whatever. Jerry Street. I don't even. I'm gonna go to Vault 101. Oh, what's going on up here? Ooh. Who's y'all? Oh, a bunch of raiders. Ooh. Smoked them. Uh-oh. There's a lot of y'all. Boom! Oh my. Where you? Oh my gosh. What is going on? I'm popping them like pimples. But why did that? Y'all suckers is crazy. Okay, so. Uh-oh. Wait, what? What's going on in here?
Back off. Find your own robot.
My robot? What do you want about? I will shoot you dead right now. What do you think this is? Ah, whoa. Relax. Hey, maybe we got off on the wrong foot. It ain't that serious. Hey, come on. No. Ain't nobody helping you. Ain't nobody hearing you. Come on, eat all these shotgun shots. Trying to cripple your legs, and he dead. Oh, gimme. Oh, gimme. Thank you. You're too kind, stranger. We got an actual gun. Music is so hype for no reason. Hmm. Such a barren wasteland out here. Bro, how far is this place? What is that? And we have arrived to the Jerry Street Metro Station. Got a garbage can, pack of ciggies. Wonder glue ain't really worth it. Now, y'all might be like, why are you here? What are you at this barren wasteland for? Or barren, what? Don't worry, buddy. I came here for this dude right here. Search Prime. 500 caps. Mwah. 2 buff out. Mwah. 5 grenades. Mwah. 2 jets. Mwah. Medics, or 2 medics. Mwah. And 2 mentats. Mwah. And the unique Chinese assault rifle. This gun is something else right now. The 40 whole 40 whole damage right there. You know how crazy that is? Look at this right here. 22. 40 at just about the same durability. Mwah. Best gun probably in the game. If one of the unique guns in this game wasn't near impossible to get. Oh, what? I was gonna say, wait, what is this building right here? I thought it was a bunch of people chilling in here. Oh, whoa. Whoa, it's not that serious. Put the rocket launcher down. Oh, you got my game lagging? It's not that serious. Put it down. Missile, thank you. You hear him on the radio? What's my game stuttering? Hello, magnificent music. Tool cabinet, wonder glue, yuck. Ooh, I will take that though. Oh, you trying to leave? Hold up. Let me let my dog go. Alright, there we go. We are back. Nuka-Cola, sure. Pilot light. I think they're 14 per too. Yeah, they are. Up. Up. No, I want the pilot light. Oh, we got some brains over here. Turpentine, 2 for 10. I'm good. Shotgun shells, shoddy shells. Oh, sledgehammer. 18 bullets, I think that was. Either 18 or 10, I don't even know. I didn't check, I snagged. Oh, thank you. I love my stems. A save. Ooh, 69 bottle caps. 28 energy cells, laser pistol. I'm taking all that. No way. What the? We got the pack of rogue promise. Get back. Who's that behind him? And it's Talent Company. Oh my gosh. Give me 2 seconds, y'all. I'm trying to figure out if my dog is trying to leave or not. Wait, is Talent chilling with me? Ain't gonna be for long. Hey, I heard y'all guys like grenades. What was that? That was okay. Yeah, we're just gonna keep pushing. We are just gonna keep pushing. Where am I going? Alright, actually, I think I did everything I wanted to do in today. Maybe not. Oof. I think I did everything I wanted to do in today's episode, or tonight's episode. What's this building right here? Gold Ribbon is grocers. We are not messing with this right now. Whoa.
Let's go.
We are gonna leave it. Oh, what? We're gonna leave it off at that, y'all. I'm gonna see you. Hopefully, if everything goes perfect, and I can edit this episode, maybe shorten it down to 20 minutes, 15 minutes, you know, so it's not an hour long. You know, see what's popping. You know, we're gonna see what's happening in the next episode. Hopefully, make it to and find our dad actually in Jefferson Memorial. And you know, we're gonna see what's happening then. So if y'all like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if y'all guys want to as well. Make sure y'all guys go check out those other episodes previously. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'm Sucker MC, and I'm out.